Starting off in the center of town, right across the street from the Montauk Bake Shop. Sunday, August 14th. In the center of town, right here in Montauk, New York. All the way out on the east end of Long Island. Big limo. This way is heading west. We were just walking from that way, and now we're heading east. Here's the Village Green. On the green, they usually have either a band playing, or they have a flea market, or a farmer's market. There's something going on at the green most days during the summer. White's department store, a staple in Montauk since forever. The Green, the large building in the center of town, which I believe is only permanent residents. Of course, if you head east, which is the direction I'm going in now, about another 5 to 7 miles would be the very end, which would be Montauk Point, where the lighthouse is.
I wonder if we should put our name in at Shagwan.
There's the famous Shagwan's restaurant, Shagwan Tavern and Restaurant. Another staple since forever. Herb's Market, great place. Nice F-150 Limited right here, beautiful truck. course, a lot of boating. We're right here on the Atlantic Ocean at the very tip of Long Island, the East End. Old Taco Ole, Mexican food. I've eaten there. It's pretty good. And that's it. We basically covered about half the town. Now, of course, there's a spot north of here where the docks are, and there's a lot of seafood restaurants. And the south part, which is only a couple of blocks south of us, all hotels on the water. Really beautiful part of Long Island, really beautiful town. If you've never been out to Montauk, it's highly recommended. Fantastic place. Have a great day, everybody.